Hi all, welcome to Clear and Concise. Let's have a look at this question. Which of the following statement is true for a homogeneous set of linear equations Ax equals to 0, where A is m by n matrix, x is n by 1 vector, and 0 is an m by 1 vector of zeros. For that, we need to check which of the following statement is true. Now let's consider one example. X plus 2y is equals to 0, x minus 2y equals to 0. This is a system of homogeneous linear equations. For this, let's write coefficient matrix A. A is equals to 1, 2, 1, minus 2. Now, let's find the determinant of this matrix. That is equals to minus 2 times 1 minus 2 times 1. That is equals to minus 4, which is not equals to 0. So, what we can conclude is A is non-singular. A is non-singular for the given homogeneous set of linear equations. So, the first statement is false. Second statement, all homogeneous systems have infinite number of solutions. Now let's check for the same example, that is x plus 2y is equals to 0, x minus 2y is equals to 0. Let's solve this. Plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled. We have 2x equals to 0, that yields x equals to 0. Substituting x equals to 0 in first equation yields 2y equals to 0, which is nothing but y equals to 0. So we have x equals to 0, y equals to 0. This is called trivial solution. Trivial solution for homogeneous system of linear equations. For this case, we don't have any other solution except trivial solution. So the second statement is also false. A homogeneous system can have either single solution or infinite number of solutions. Okay, it is need not to have infinite number of solutions all the times. That's why it is false. Third case, all homogeneous systems have at least one solution, which is true, because just now we have seen for the example we have considered, we have trivial solution. Okay, at least we will have trivial solution, that is x equals to 0, y equals to 0 for a given set of homogeneous linear equations. At least trivial solution will be there, or else infinitely many solutions. Only two possible cases are there for homogeneous set of linear equations. Now fourth case is A is non-singular matrix for all homogeneous systems, which is also false, because let's consider one more example. X plus y is equals to 0, 2x plus 2y is equals to 0. This is a system of homogeneous linear equations. The coefficient matrix A is equals to 1, 1, 2, 2. Now let's find the determinant of A, that is equals to 2 1s are 2 minus 2 1s are 2, that is equals to 0. So it is a singular matrix. A is a singular matrix here, and you can clearly observe that this is a homogeneous system of linear equations, because here A x is equals to 0, that is b vector is 0 vector. So it is homogeneous system of equations where determinant of A is equals to 0. So option D is also false. The correct answer for this question is option C. All homogeneous systems have at least one solution. Now let's see one important thing here. A can be singular or non-singular. Non-singular, that means det of A can be equals to 0, or det of A may not be equals to 0. If it is equals to 0, we call it as singular matrix. If det is not equals to 0, we call it as non-singular matrix. The most important point here is, if determinant is equals to 0 for a homogeneous set of linear equations, we have infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. If det is not equals to 0, we have only trivial solution. Only trivial solution, that is single solution. Because let's see here in this example itself, we have det equals to 0. These two lines are, first equation and second equation are parallel. Okay, if we take out 2 as common, the second equation also reduces to x plus y equals to 0, which is parallel. So both lines are intersecting, so they will have infinite number of solutions. This is very important. You can solve many questions by using these properties, so please remember these properties.